Today, exactly 70 years ago, the first nuclear bomb was dropped by the USA over Japan. It killed more than 100,000 people. There are a lot of documentaries out here in YouTube, but some questions are always not answered, and these will be handled in this video. Is there still radioactive contamination left over? Where is it? And how can it be measured? But first, let's go back in the history to the year 1945. The bomb exploded at a height of 600 meters. Its heat was so strong that everything under the bomb caught fire, even trees that have been 10 kilometers apart. The heat vaporized all available water and burned everything. Because the smoke and the vapor was even lighter than the ambient air, it rose up into the atmosphere and formed a mushroom cloud, which was 13 kilometers in height. The mushroom cloud did not only contain water and the burnt ash, it additionally, of course, contained all the radioactive material. The bomb's fuel was made from highly enriched uranium. This has a half-life time of 700 million years. By the nuclear fission, a lot of radioisotopes were generated. The most you would know from nuclear accidents like Chernobyl or Fukushima, which is strontium-90 and cesium-137. These have a much shorter half-life time, which, on the first time sounds pretty good, but they are, on the other hand, they are even more radioactive. And the radioactive charged mushroom cloud rained down.
Then came a strange deliverance. Dark raindrops began to fall from the clouds above the burning city.
We opened our mouths and drank it. Our throats were parched, but it was difficult to capture the rain into our mouths.
The rain was made black by ash and smoke which had been sucked up into the rising mushroom cloud. When these ashes mixed with cool, humid air in the upper atmosphere, they formed thick black raindrops and fell back down onto the city.
The drops of rain were big enough to hurt when they hit your skin. It descended in a torrent. Black fluid flowed where the rain fell. It was raining black fluid.
What the people who drank the rain didn't realize was that it was highly radioactive. In time, it would poison many thousands.
In the year 2008, I went to Hiroshima and I wanted to find out where the black rain has come down. I went to the Peace Museum and I found this picture. So the heavy rain marks where a lot of black rain and contaminated rain has come down. And I just went here to Mount Mitaki, took my homemade Geiger counter and found a radiation of 0.22 microsievert per hour, which is not really high, but about 2 or 3 times the normal expected radiation in Japan. Yeah, but probably if you dig down some centimeters, you would find a even more contaminated soil in this forest. Well, if you find something like this, and if you can do some measurements there, you can write it in the comments, would be fine. Well, now I just want to say I hope that we never ever see such a weapon like this, because the next nuclear bomb probably doesn't come alone, and nuclear war is really horrible, you know, radioactive contamination and nuclear winter. Well, thermonuclear war would transform our world from heaven into hell. So, wish you anyhow liked my video, and wish you all the best. Bye.